Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 24. If P and Q are two non-zero numbers and 18 into P plus Q is equals to 18 plus Q in brackets multiplied by Q, which of the following must be true? A. Q is equals to 18. B. P is equals to 18. C. P is less than 1 and D. Q is less than 1. So which of these statements or which of these must be true? Now we're given that what 18 into P plus Q is equals to 18 plus P in brackets then Q outside the bracket. Now opening this, we'll have what 18P plus 18Q is equals to 18Q plus PQ is what we have here. Now looking at this, we can now say what we can simply say that this 18Q, we cancel this 18Q here. 18Q, we cancel 18Q. So we have what 18P is equals to what PQ. Now from here we can since we have P here and we also have PQ here, we can simply say what divide both sides by P, and by dividing both sides by P, this P here we cancel this P and this P we cancel this P. So we have 18 is equals to Q, or Q is equals to 18. So that means Q is equals to what 18, and that is option A. Q is equals to 18. That's the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.